Looking for a quick meal to serve your family up in no time, I always keep extra noodles. And so I have some mushrooms, some zucchini, broccoli, some carrots, and I'm going to make a quick stir fry ready in no time. There is nothing like a good stir fry. It's quick. I like to start with my avocado oil. You can use high heat. And I want to start with the vegetables that will take the longest, in this case, broccoli. So I've chopped up some broccoli. You can leave it bigger, you can make it crunchy. It is totally up to you. I love using my cast iron skillet. It works perfectly on medium heat. And I'm just going to continue to stir. If it starts to stick, then definitely you'll want to add just a little bit of oil. Again, I definitely like the avocado oil. It works great. There's no taste. All right, so now I'm putting on some thinly sliced carrots. These happen to be really red, and they will be perfect. Again, if they were cut bigger, then most likely I would have put them in with the broccoli. So we need just a little bit of oil. Don't need a lot. That's the other nice thing about cast iron. Things don't stick that much. And so we're just going to continue to stir. And I love how vibrant the colors, how bright, and everything is going to be amazing. Now the next thing will be the cucumbers. And you can leave the peel on. My husband tends not to like the dark peel, so I leave just a little bit, but I go ahead and slice those again thinly. So we'll add those, continue to stir, and the nice thing is you put your favorites. Now, of course, just a pinch of, this is white sea salt, and I've been using less of the pink salt. I know everybody talks about it, but personally, I don't want those extra added minerals, and so I like the perfect sea salt. Now you can see, again, because of the cast iron, you get a little charred, which I like that brown on the broccoli. So we're just gonna stir. And then last, the mushrooms. They don't take much time at all. And I like to chop mine big because my husband does not like mushrooms, so it makes it easy to pick them out. So now, the other thing is broth. You could add water, but I like to add some chicken broth, and this is some that I had from chicken that I cooked in my Instant Pot, so definitely check out that video. So it's going to help things along. And now we're ready for the noodles. Again, these were pre-cooked. They didn't take long at all. And I really like these Chinese noodles. They cook fast, and definitely they are delicious. And so this is perfect. And of course, rice would work well also. So just gonna mix that in a little bit. And really, it's already cooked. The vegetables are pretty much done, so it's not going to take much time at all. So a little stirring, you're really just heating at this point. And then I love using tamari sauce. It has a lot less sodium than soy sauce, and it is fermented, and it's delicious. It gives that Asian flair, and so I really like that. You could do sort of a white sauce. You could do a variety of different things, but we happen to love Asian food, and so it works perfectly. Again, this is a quick meal. Here I had some steak fajitas that I had bought, and then here we have other vegetable options. These are my containers. I love these storage containers. You can see what you have. So we're going to keep stirring, and really dinner is just about ready. There it is, and there's my plate. I'm ready to eat. Thanks for watching.